In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to summon a copper golem in Minecraft and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this, I have the blog post open for the copper golem over here, and in game we're going to try to summon a copper golem for us. As you are probably aware, all we have to do to summon an iron golem is place 4 blocks of iron in this formation and then a carved pumpkin on top. As you can see, it immediately summons an iron golem that we can interact with. Now, let's try to do the same with copper blocks instead. Immediately, if we try to place the copper blocks in the T shape and then the pumpkin on top, nothing happens and no mob is summoned. We can try to change this formation, maybe do 2 blocks of copper stacked on top of each other with the pumpkin, and again, nothing happens. And the last thing I want to try is only 1 block of copper. Again, nothing happens and no mob is summoned. This is because, as you can see by the blog post, the copper golem was part of a vote including 2 other mobs on 2001, and sadly, because it didn't win the vote, it didn't get added to the official game. So as of today, it is impossible to summon the copper golem in standard vanilla Minecraft. The only way to summon him, if you wish to have a copper golem in your world, is to use a mod like this one, the copper golem mod for fabric. As I said, the mob is not in the official game, so as of today it is impossible to summon the copper golem without mods. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that you need to use mods if you want to summon a copper golem in your Minecraft world. I hope I was able to clear up any questions you had. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.